Depending on your answer, he will judge whether you are a psychopath or normal. You are asked to imagine yourself walking down a dark, remote path. Your heart is pounding, and you hear strange sounds beside you. Suddenly, you hear and feel a breath behind you. You turn to see what it is. A wild animal. 2. A pale face of the opposite sex. 3. A shadowy figure. 4. A dog. 5. Nothing. 6. A huge snake. You have 10 seconds to find it. Psychologists have found that the psychopaths tend to see a dog standing behind them when asked this question. Why do you think this happens? If you find it interesting, give a like and follow.